Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to be working with the new colors from DIPOLOGY. They're very gorgeous and they come out this Friday. And I'm going to be working with these two specifically, Mulberry and Sangria, which they're stunning. Let me show you the inside. This is like a wine color and it's so pretty because it has tiny little shimmers in it. And this glitter is super gorgeous because it has a lot of glitter and it's so shiny. So since I'm working with fake hand and fake tips, what I'm going to do is take them out and show you quickly how I would use the dip powder, because I can't do it like I would normally do it on a regular client or on my own nails because it's a fake hand. So in this case, I'm going to show you how I did it. So I'm going to start with this color and I put it in a container like this. And I'm going to apply the base coat all over the nail. Make sure to cover all the surface. And I didn't notice I was almost out of frame, sorry about that. With dip powders, I prefer the pouring method, which that's what I'm doing right now. If it was on my real nails, then I prefer the dipping method. In this case, I'm just going to pour the powder on top. Dust off the excess in between each layer. And I'm just going to repeat the process about 3 times. Once I'm done with all the layers, I'm going to use the activator so it can harden. This is how they look after I did all the filing, and now they're ready for nail art. Also, I wanted to mention that I use their clear powder, which is the glass powder, to encapsulate the 2 nails with the glitter. Very important to do that. So for design, I wanted to use foil. So I'm going to be using a gold foil that I have here. And I'm going to be using this gold gel paint by Mia Secret. It's absolutely stunning. And I have my foil glue right here. So I'm going to be using a dotting tool to place the glue where I want it to be. I'm just doing some random patches and I'm going to let that fully dry. Once it dries, you're going to know when it's dry because it's going to turn clear. For the gel paint, I'm just going to be doing some lines. And I'm going to cure that in the lamp for a full minute. So for this design, I wanted the nails to be matte. So I'm using Jalicious top coat and it's in matte. It goes on glossy, but once you cure it in the lamp and then you wipe off the sticky layer, it turns matte. So you're going to be able to see it glossy in case you wanted to do the design glossy, which a lot of people prefer glossy nails, but in this particular case, I wanted them to be matte. This is how they look glossy, which is also beautiful. Let me know in the comments down below which one you prefer, glossy nails or matte nails. And here they are fully cured. I love them. I love those colors. They're absolutely stunning. They're so beautiful, especially that glitter is so stunning. I will have their link in the description box along with my discount code in case you want to save some money. Everything will be in the description box down below. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.